Best rollerblades. Are you looking for the best rollerblades? In this video we will look at 5 of the best rollerblades on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description. So make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Rollerblade RB80. The Rollerblade RB80 men's urban inline skate is designed for intermediate to advanced skaters seeking a durable and responsive option for urban skating. Combining performance, comfort, and protection, the RB80 is part of Rollerblades RB, Rollerblade series, known for their robust molded boot construction that withstands the rigors of city skating, free skating, and commuting. The skate features a rigid and ventilated molded plastic shell, offering excellent support and durability. Inside, a high-performance liner with padding and shock-absorbing insoles ensures comfort for longer sessions. A supportive cuff and secure closure system, comprising a buckle, 45-degree power strap, and traditional laces, provide a snug, performance-oriented fit. Equipped with 80mm Rollerblade Urban Profile wheels and SG7 bearings, the RB80 delivers a balanced mix of speed, control, and maneuverability. The 80mm size offers stability while maintaining a nimble feel, ideal for navigating city streets or tight turns. The extruded aluminum frame is rigid and responsive, improving energy transfer for more precise skating. Notable for its stylish black and red design, the RB80 also includes replaceable sliders on the side for protection during slides and urban tricks. Ventilation holes and integrated shock absorbers enhance ride quality, especially on rough pavement. This model appeals to skaters looking for a tough, supportive, and responsive skate for urban environments. It's versatile enough for recreational fitness but also capable of handling free skate and light tricks. The RB80 is not built for beginners due to its stiff structure and high-performance components but is perfect for developing or experienced skaters who need a reliable urban skate. In summary, the Rollerblade RB80 men's urban inline skate balances durability, comfort, and agility, making it a top pick for serious city skaters wanting both performance and protection in a bold, urban style. Number 2. Rollerblade Zetrablade Inline Skates. The Rollerblade Zetrablade women's adult fitness inline skates in black and light blue are designed for beginner to intermediate skaters who want a comfortable, supportive, and smooth ride. These performance inline skates combine stylish design with practical features ideal for fitness and recreational use. At the core of the Zetrablade is a high cuff that offers excellent ankle support, enhancing stability and confidence for those new to skating. The monocoque frame keeps the center of gravity low for better balance and control. The boot is equipped with a comfortable padded liner that provides a snug fit while reducing foot fatigue, making it suitable for longer skating sessions. For easy and secure closure, the Zetrablade uses a triple closure system, a buckle, Velcro strap, and traditional laces. This ensures a tight fit and keeps your foot properly aligned. The 80mm wheels and SG5 bearings provide a good mix of speed and control, making the skates fast enough for fitness skating but still manageable for beginners. The wheels are mounted on a composite frame, which helps absorb vibration and adds comfort, especially on rougher surfaces. These skates are ideal for paved paths, parks, or recreational trails. Their sleek black and light blue color combination gives them a sporty, modern look. They are also relatively lightweight and durable, making them a great entry-level choice that doesn't compromise on quality. In summary, the Rollerblade Zetrablade women's fitness inline skates are a solid pick for women seeking a smooth, supportive, and comfortable ride for fitness and fun. Their user-friendly design, supportive structure, and stylish look make them one of the top choices for entry-level inline skaters. Number 3. Rollerblade Twister XT Inline Skates. The Rollerblade Twister XT women's adult fitness inline skate, black/mint, is a high-performance urban inline skate designed for advanced skaters seeking a balance of comfort, durability, and precision control. Tailored specifically for women, this model features a modified fit and stylish color scheme while offering the same performance characteristics as its unisex counterpart. The Twister XT is built on a durable molded shell that provides excellent lateral support, stability, and responsiveness, making it ideal for navigating tight turns in city terrain. It features a reliable dual-fit liner, Performance Plus liner, that includes upgraded cushioning and anatomical padding for improved comfort, breathability, and fit. The liner also includes a first-fit footbed to enhance shock absorption and foot alignment. For optimal performance and smooth rolling, the skates come with 80mm hydrogen wheels, 85A hardness, known for their excellent grip and rebound. These are paired with SG TwinCam ILQ7 Plus bearings, delivering fast, consistent speed and low rolling resistance. The aluminum frame ensures strong power transfer and rigidity, which is essential for urban performance skating. Additional features include a secure 45-degree microbuckle, lace closure, and cuff buckle system for a locked-in feel. The skate's design also allows for frame adjustability, enabling minor customizations for better alignment and performance. Overall, the Rollerblade Twister XT women's inline skate is ideal for skaters who want to elevate their urban fitness experience with a high-performance, stylish, and supportive skate. It combines agility, comfort, and durability, making it suitable for everything from fitness rides to freestyle and slalom skating in city environments. Number 4. K2 Inline Skates. The K2 Grid 110 3-wheel inline skates are designed for both men and women, offering a unisex, high-performance solution for urban, street, and fitness skating. These skates feature a 3-wheel setup, each with 110mm wheels, which enhances speed and maneuverability while reducing rolling resistance. This design provides a smoother, faster ride that is ideal for experienced skaters looking to cover longer distances or engage in intense fitness workouts. Built with K2's signature soft boot technology, the Grid 110 skates ensure a comfortable, breathable, and snug fit right out of the box. The boot wraps around the foot for a natural, secure feel, minimizing the need for lengthy break-in periods. The integrated cuff support adds stability and control, especially during aggressive strides or sudden stops. These skates include a durable aluminum frame, which offers a stable base while maintaining a lightweight profile. This frame allows for optimal power transfer, essential for high-speed skating and quick acceleration. The traditional lace-up closure system, paired with a Velcro strap and a ratcheting buckle, provides a customized and secure fit. The Grid 110 is well-suited for urban environments and fitness training, delivering responsive performance on paved trails, sidewalks, and streets. Despite the larger wheels, the 3-wheel configuration allows for greater agility and easier turning compared to 4-wheel skates with smaller wheels. Ideal for intermediate to advanced skaters, these K2 inline skates strike a balance between speed, comfort, and control. They do not include a heel brake, which may require users to be proficient with alternative stopping techniques like T-stops or power slides. Overall, the K2 Grid 110 offers a high-performance, stylish, and comfortable inline skating experience for fitness enthusiasts and urban skaters seeking a fast, smooth ride with enhanced agility. Number 5. Rollerblade Lightning 110. The Rollerblade Lightning 110 unisex adult urban inline skate in white and black is a premium, high-performance inline skate designed for urban, fitness, and recreational use. Built with a sleek, modern aesthetic and a performance-driven design, it offers a smooth, fast, and stable ride ideal for experienced skaters. Key to its performance are the 110mm Supreme wheels paired with high-quality TwinCam ILQ9 Classic Plus bearings, providing excellent speed, grip, and reduced rolling resistance. These larger wheels are perfect for absorbing vibrations and maintaining momentum, making them ideal for urban environments with uneven pavement. The boot is crafted with a rigid, vented shell and a supportive cuff, offering superior ankle support and breathability. It combines with a dual micro-adjustable buckle system, laces, and a 45-degree power strap to secure the foot in place, ensuring precision, control, and comfort during high-speed maneuvers. The interior lining features memory foam and anatomical padding, enhancing comfort even on longer rides. The extruded aluminum frame provides excellent power transfer and stability. It's designed for responsiveness, enabling tight turns and fast sprints with reduced flex. Despite its durable build, the skate remains lightweight, which helps reduce fatigue during intense sessions. As a unisex model, it's available in a range of sizes to accommodate different foot shapes, with a fit that balances snugness and comfort for both men and women. In summary, the Rollerblade Lightning 110 is a top-tier urban skate combining speed, comfort, and support. With its large wheels, rigid frame, and secure fit system, it's ideal for skaters who want performance and style in one package. Whether commuting, training, or simply skating for fun, this model delivers a high-quality, versatile ride for intermediate to advanced users.